How to change wallpaper in laptop. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change wallpaper in laptop. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is we can just right click on our wallpaper, and then from there you can see this option to personalize. So click on this personalize right here. And then this will open the settings of our computer. So let me just maximize it. As you can see, here it is. So here we have the background. So your background can be a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow. So if you have a picture that you want, you can just choose your picture depending on the windows available pictures, or you can also browse for the picture that you want. So if you browse, you can just choose on the wallpaper that you have. So for example, let's choose this. As you can see, it will appear like this. So if we head over, as you can see, it looks like this. So if we click on the solid color, we can just choose the color that we want. So for example, we want it to be like this or this one right here. It totally depends on you and what you want it to be. So if we click on this again, and if we choose this slideshow, so let's click on this and choose slideshow, you can browse for pictures that you want. So you can choose an album for your slideshow. So click on this browse right here, and then you can just choose for the folder that you want to use. Then after you have chosen that folder, you can change that picture for every minutes right here. So it can be 1 minute up to 1 day. So for this, I'll choose this 1 minute right here. You can also turn on this shuffle, or you can also let slideshow run even if on battery power. So after that, it will be automatically saved and you will see your wallpaper instantly on your computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change wallpaper in laptop. If you have comments, comment them down below and I will try my best to answer them. Thanks!